Hey, what's up? This is Robin Palmer. Welcome to my CallFluent AI review. This is a new product, which essentially is an AI-powered call automation tool designed to handle sales calls, customer service, lead generation 24/7. It can be used for essentially anything. If you're an affiliate marketer, if you have a marketing agency, whatever you're doing online, if you want to take care of customers and let's say you want to forward them to a training, to a webinar, using advanced voice technology and automation to ensure no calls are missed and interactions feels natural, this is something that I think you're going to like. I actually tested this out earlier, and I've actually configured this so you can see a demo. I'm going to be showing you that in just a moment. But before we dive into the actual product, let me show you the bonuses that I have for you. And you're going to find those here below in the description. There's going to be a demo video as well. Below that demo video, you're going to see my bonuses. And all of these bonuses, I've prepared those carefully, custom made by me, so you're not going to find them anywhere else. Okay. Now, you want to keep in mind that once my timer hits 0 here at the bottom or at the top of this page, these bonuses are going to expire. So the bonus number 1 is pre-written call scripts for maximum conversions. So I've created a set of pre-written calls that you can use together with CallFluent AI. So that's the first bonus that you're going to get, which is going to help you in getting better conversions. The bonus number 2 is I created 88 viral hooks, okay, and subject lines for AI calls and sales that you can use right now together with CallFluent. The bonus number 3 is something that I also created myself. I actually, well, besides the hosting, but the opt-in funnel builder, it's a software that I've created that you can use together with this. Plus, you're going to get hosting. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get that. Plus, a done-for-you follow-up template system is a 10-day template follow-up system that you're going to get. And the bonus number 4 is also pretty cool. It's my AI clone image masterclass. It basically is to create unlimited branded images. So you're going to be able to stand out with professional AI-generated images of yourself. So you don't need expensive photo shoots or anything like that. It's perfect for social media, opt-in pages, and ads. And everything that you get here is essentially my bonuses for you if you decide to pick this up from me. Anyhow, if you click on any of these buttons here, you're going to get access to the sales page. If you go there right now, it might, depending on when you're watching this, right? This is the version that's going to be live in a couple of hours from when I'm recording this video. But anyhow, okay, so this is how the actual sales page looks like. You can see more about it, details on the sales page about this, I would say, pretty cool software in my opinion. I'm going to be showing you exactly how the actual software works. The cool thing is you can actually use these AI voice agents in different languages, even in Swedish. Cool. So you can see everything here in your own time. So that's about the sales page, but let's talk about the product. So once you land inside the actual dashboard or the workspace, you're going to see here, there's different AI agents. So what you can do here, if you click on this plus sign, you can start creating a new agent. Okay. So you can select if you want an outbound agent or if you want an inbound agent. Essentially, the difference is that the outbound agent are agents that call a number provided that you provided essentially, or provide the software. So they're going to be calling for you. The inbound agent, which is this one here, is basically an AI agent that answers or responds to prospects when they call a specific number. For example, this one here does exactly that. I'm going to be showing you what I did in just a moment, right? But here, there's two ways of actually using this. I'm gonna go for the inbound agent. And here you can select from these different AI agents, which are, well, in this case, I have these, I would say like templates that you can use for different services, right? But if you want to customize this to whatever you are doing online, you want to go to blank agent, and then you want to click on save and continue. Once you've done that, here you can change the agent avatar. You can choose a picture here. I'm just gonna choose this one. And then you can select the timeline, time zone, I mean. And then the name, you can do that here. Like for example, Rose, and then you can select the language here. They have English, all kind of languages. I think they have like 30 languages. Then we have the voice, and they have different voices here. The one that I liked was this one called Asteria. You can listen to each one of these voices, and let me see if I can show you how it sounds. Okay.
Hello, Robin Palmer. This is a voice preview sample from CallFluent AI. You can customize me by simply adding a welcome message to your agent configuration.
Okay, so that is how that sounds. That's just an example, of course. And then here, you can select the number. I'm gonna select a number and then a welcome message. Now, there's different placeholders here. But in this case, what I'm gonna do is I actually did something earlier. So I asked ChatGPT to give me a welcome message that I could copy and paste into this AI agent inbound call assistant. So it gave me this. Now, I made a couple of changes to this. So it was kind of generic, but I added a couple of things like the product or the business name, the agent's name, if you want to do it that way. And it sent me this here, okay? And then I can just copy this. You can do it manually if you want to, but this is just how I did it. And it's gonna change the name to Rose here. And once that is done, call recordings, I left that on. And then I didn't change anything here. I click on next. And then agent type, I go for, let's say, lead engagement, the tone, there's professional, conversational, humorous, empathetic, or empathic. I went for conversational. And then the goal, tell your agent what is his goal, send person to the webinar. This is just an example, of course. Background, a professional 20-year-old expert in sales. And then instructions, tell your agent what to do during the conversation. So once again, I created this with ChatGPT, and I'm gonna be showing you what I did. Okay, so I created this with ChatGPT. I asked it for instructions for the AI call agent. This is just an example of what you could do. And for the sake of this video, right, you might probably want to configure this a little bit better, but to give an idea, it's actually pretty easy to do. So I'm just gonna copy this, and I go back here, and I'm gonna paste it here. And now I have the instructions for the AI call agent called Rose, right? And I think they have some browse templates here. If we click here, you can see that. But you can easily generate this in a couple of minutes with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on submit. And now I have created this one. This one here is the one that I created earlier. And this is the one that I created now. I just changed the name. But essentially, it's the same thing here, right? So this is Susan, the other one that I did earlier, right? And now I am going to call Susan or this AI, and let's see what happens.
Hello, thank you for calling the seven-figure protocol team. My name is Susan. How can I assist you today? If you're calling about our premium membership training, I can provide details, help with enrollment, or connect you with the right team member. Just let me know how I can help.
Okay, they told me to call this number for more information.
I appreciate you reaching out. Is there something specific you were told to inquire about, or are you interested in our services? Absolutely. The best way to get comprehensive information is by attending our exclusive webinar. It explains our services and how they can benefit you. Would you like the registration link?
Yes, please. I would like to watch the webinar.
Great choice. Here's the registration link. Insert link. It's completely free, so secure your spot quickly before it fills up.
Okay, cool.
Once you register, you'll get immediate access to watch the webinar. Let me know if you need any assistance.
Okay, so that's essentially how this works or work. Of course, I didn't make the best work with the actual script. You can fine tune that a little bit, but I find it pretty decent, and this can be used. For example, if you have your own products, you can actually get people to you can forward them to a training. There's so many things you can do with this. It's actually pretty cool in my opinion. So this is how it works. Now, let's talk about the pricing for this. So before I go to the pricing, everything that you see here, that's essentially what this software is about. There's settings here at the left, and they have the support and tutorials if you want that. But let's dive into the pricing for this and a little bit more of detail. There's a lot of stuff here. There's a demo video as well on my bonus page if you want to check that out. But the front-end offer is going to be $37 one time, and you get 3 AI voice agents, concurrent conversations. You can manage multiple calls at once without missing a beat. Pre-trained scenarios. Each agent is primed for common call flaws, ensuring top quality customer interactions right off the box. So you're going to get those pre-configured. As you can see here, you get 200 calls and minutes credited. Ample monthly capacity, ideal for typical small businesses call volumes. Predictable usage, avoid unexpected costs while enjoying reliable coverage for inbound and outbound calls. You get 6 neural AI voices, which basically means that they're going to be sounding more natural. You can select from different human-like tones. A professional feel, which is a little bit different from, these robotic or monotone expressions in some of these voices. You get 1 team member, 30 support languages, open AI integration if you want that, standard call script templates. You saw what I did with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT and fine tune it if you want to. Automated SMS actions with timely follow-ups, automated booking and scheduling, web-based calling, which means you don't need a phone line for this, this is browser ready. I find this pretty useful. Then we have the website called widget, background noise, call forwarding, and email automations. And then we have the one-time offer upgrade number 1 professional plan for $127 one time. Basically, this offer next level analytics, expanded capabilities, and premium integration. So there are a couple of benefits for this. You get 10 AI voices, 750 calls and minutes included, 50 neural and AI or AI voices, and 70 supported languages versus the 30 that you get in the front-end version. So you get a lot more in this version. Turbo speed, so lowest latency, access, optimized LLM for phone calls, done for you professional template scripts, 11 labs integration, advanced call summaries, and sentiment analysis. And you can see all of these different things that you get. You get more essentially in this version for $127. It might be worth it. So you might want to consider grabbing this one depending on what you want. But let us check the other upgrades, okay? The upgrade number 2 is Agency Plan, $147, built for agency and larger teams managing multiple clients. Basically, it streamlines complex call workflows with robust multi-client management and advanced reporting. It's going to depend on what you need this for. So you want to check this first before deciding which one you want to get. And then we have the 30 AI voice agents plus 1,600 calls minutes included. So it's more in this section, the minutes added here. 400 neural AI voices and 140 supported languages, multi-client management, and you see all of these different add-ons that you can see here. Then we have the offer upgrade number 3, which is a white label license for $397. So this is a little bit different. So this is like it was your own product, essentially. This is the ultimate offering for resellers, SaaS entrepreneurs, and established agencies seeking a fully branded solution. If this is you, then this is the option that you want to go for, because you can brand this. You get unlimited AI voice agents and 3,600 minutes. And even if you don't want to do the full white label stuff, but you want unlimited AI voice agents, then this is something that you want to consider. So pretty cool stuff. 400 neural AI voices, emotional tones. This is the maximum, even if you don't want to do, the branding and all of that stuff. Just for the unlimited, I would go for this one. So it's going to depend on what you want. So either the front end and the OTO number 1 is what I recommend. For extras, okay, 70 more languages. If you want everything unlimited, you want to go for the upgrade number 3. So you can check this out below. There's a demo here. Remember, all of these different bonuses are custom made to me. You're not going to find them anywhere else. And once the timer hits 0, my bonuses are going to expire. But you can check that below on the bonus page, okay? So once again, thank you for watching my CallFluent AI review, and I talk to you soon. Take care.